am creative fans, welcome back to another video. So today I got this wireless lavalier microphone. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's lavalier or something, I don't know. So yeah, this microphone is actually two microphones that can support two microphones in one. So this is the actual head. Then there's two microphones like this. You can use it for live show, interview, vlog, short video, and all of that. And by the way, I am not sponsored. I bought this myself. I didn't get anything free. I have no sponsor. Anyways, let's start today's unboxing video. Okay. Okay. Just remove the plastic. And this is actually the mic. Let's see what's inside. Oh, no ways, guys. Can't believe I actually got this. So this is the head. I don't know, it's the main receiver. It's the main receiver. Then these are the microphones, got clips, power button. Then I thought you can charge. Oh yeah, you can charge them. It's actually two of them, not only one, but two microphones from lavalier. Nice, I love them. Okay, what's this small box for? Let's see. Oh, it's a charging cable for these, and you can, instead of using this on a phone, I think you can do this to use it on a laptop or somewhere else. Yeah, this. Okay, let's see how they charge. So I'm gonna just take this. Then just connect it. Then just charge one of them. Okay, can you see the small red light? I think it's charging. Then when it's done, it's gonna turn green or blue, I'm not sure. Okay, love these. So I'm gonna let them charge, then I'm gonna make a test video for them. Hello, I'm creative. So I got this mic, and today I'm gonna put it to the test. So right now I'm like a meter away from the transmitter, so I'm slowly gonna move back to test how far can it go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet back, and I'm not sure, but I think it's still close because they said its range was 20 meters. So I'm gonna move back 5 more feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, now that's real far, but it's still, though I don't think it's 20 meters yet. So let me move back 5 more feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I think I'm like 15 meters away, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, I'd say this mic is good as well as cheap. I got it from Temu. And this is not a paid, what do they call it? This is not a paid ad or what. I am not paid. I bought this by myself. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Yeah, it's very cheap and it works nice. Ever since I started using it, no problems.